Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 E450 4MATIC coupe. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with the illuminated star in the grille. Also the AMG line, which is going to give you AMG body styling on the interior and exterior. The night package, which is going to give you high gloss black elements on the front splitter, side trim, and rear diffuser. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. Rear spoiler. E450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set to all season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Natural grain black ash wood trim. Heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting. Heated steering wheel. Hopping in. A nice natural grain black ash wood trim. We've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, Navi, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB port, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E450 4MATIC has 4,272 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.